1 stick of butter, y'all.
Man, I fool with you all the time, boy. All right, y'all, 1.5 cups, real salted butter. Y'all already know, baby. Hit it 1 stick of butter. Butter, babe. And we hit that. All right, y'all, a stick of butter. 90 ounces of butter, y'all. 1 stick of butter. 1 stick of that butter, y'all. Garlic and herb, babe. 1 stick of butter, babe. And you gotta go with a stick of butter. I'm playing, just some pickles. 1 stick of butter.
1 stick of butter, y'all.
Y'all all right? All right, y'all, 2 sticks, that garlic and herb butter, baby. Go with it. Oh! Don't do it, yeah.
Hey, I did it.
All right, y'all, 1 stick of butter, babe. Ah. Butter's what I do.
Man, stop, bro. You don't want me to make you.
Man,
no.
Drop that right now.
I don't know nothing about that,
You
dog.
don't made me waste a whole stick of butter trying to trust you.
Bro, I was just saying if you know how to throw, bro. I catch butter all day, bro.